Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located under the passenger side cowling. There are 4 screws securing the cowling. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. Use a 7mm nut driver to remove the bolts. Remove the cowling panel. Unclip and remove the frame cover. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1042 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the frame cover by pressing down. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the weather strip. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.